Hello, today I'm in Toyota Avensis. In this video I'll show you how to manage clock on the instrument cluster. In the beginning, take a look at the instrument cluster and press display button on steering wheel or instrument cluster if you don't have display button on the steering wheel until you see settings. Press and hold display button and now press and hold again to enter clock. You can now adjust time by pressing this button. Wait to confirm. Now you can adjust minutes and it's done. Next, you can change clock format. In order to do it, press single time display button and on clock format press and hold it. You can select 24 or 12 hours. In the end, you can change date, same way as the time, and date format. Day, month, year, month, day, year, year, month, day. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment, and subscribe.